Alright, well right now there's giant puddles that we're walking through.
Well, these are more like little streams of crap.
Yeah, right down here is going to be a giant hill, so there's...
Yeah, we're gonna check to see if it's like a massive river like one time that happened. Dinner. I think I hear the water. Or that's probably the wind. I have a bad feeling about this.
Why is that?
Because I said so. I'm wet. We're in a tropical storm. Everything's pathetic.
Crap, dude.
You see it?
Crap.
Holy shit spit. Ah! Well, it's not like that one time, but it's getting close to that.
I didn't realize I was inspecting their room back here.
Ah! You dare bring light to my lair? Wow. They say this jacket's supposed to be waterproof.
Wow, that's so funny.
Holy crap! I don't know if you can see this, people, but here's a flood.
Oh, dang. We're about 15 feet, like, above all this stuff.
Wow. Yeah, the wind. Okay, there's the creek. I don't know if you can see it because I can't zoom in. Wonder. No, I can't. And I'm wet. Right, woman? We're wet.
Yeah.
We're wet. And there's a tropical storm above us. I wonder what's for dinner.
It's probably...
Whoa, look at the wind. It's making waves.
Ripples, yeah.
Ripples.
You can really tell where it starts to get deep, where
Yeah.
you can see the shades of color.
Well, the people working on the sewage here aren't going to have any fun later. Let's go on to the other creeks. That stick. Look at all the branches that fell down. Dinner. Dinner. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
No way.
No, wait, what? Yeah. Whoa! Okay, here's another creek, and it's flooding. It's flooding good.
I was surprised we're not wet. Like, I'm surprised if you are itself, dang.
I'm surprised my pants aren't wet. Yeah, this is not the same as last time. Last time the whole fourth square was a complete river. Oh look, some barbed wire. Somewhere.
Yeah, oh.
I wish we had a better camera. Yeah. Maybe the next time we have a tropical storm, we'll have a better camera. Until then, we will die. I think the rain's increasing. Or is that probably the water? Okay, well that's it for now. See you later.